the vast majority of student debt in America. So it would cancel up to $50,000 in student loan debt for an estimated 42 million Americans. That's a ton.
Nice.
Okay, so this is a huge proposal, but there has been a lot of talk about free college around this primary and
Yes,
prior
but Elizabeth's
primaries.
got a plan.
What are you
When
doing?
does
What are
this
you
idea
doing?
really begin to pick up steam?
So
Wow,
the
what
discussion
are you
around
doing?
tuition-free
No, don't pull out
college
there. This person
really
needs to back up.
kind of took off in 2015 when Bernie Sanders proposed this idea that at the time was pretty radical.
What is it?
We should have
They thought that was
free
a.
tuition
They didn't
in
realize there were
public
yellow lines
colleges
there.
and universities. That should be a right
They thought
of
this was all
all
one-way
Americans,
streets.
But
regardless
that's
of the income of their families.
Yeah, they
And
realize
that was
that now.
controversial
No,
at the
they were
time.
just
You know,
trying to
during the
allow them to
primary,
get
he and
parking
Hillary
space.
Clinton debated whether college should be free or whether college should just be subsidized more by the federal government.
What was Hillary's take?
It was interesting. I mean, she eventually, by the time she became the Democratic nominee, Clinton had basically borrowed Sanders' plan and was proposing her own tuition-free plan at public universities for families making less than $125,000 per year. And it showed the influence that Sanders had in 2016 on her